How to create AI images using Playground AI. First, open your web browser and go to playground.com. Then, sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Playground dashboard, click Create or New Project, depending on the current interface. Next, click inside the prompt box and describe the image you want to generate. For example, type a realistic mountain landscape at sunrise with a crystal clear lake, pine trees, and golden sunlight. Ultra detailed 4K. After entering your prompt, choose an image model if you have the option. Now, click the Generate button or Enter. Playground AI will create one or more images based on your prompt in just a few seconds. Once the images are ready, click on your favorite one to preview it. You can also edit the prompt, regenerate new versions, or use the editing tools to refine the result. Finally, click the Export button, then Download to save the image to your computer. That's it! You've successfully created an AI image using Playground AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, image generation tips, and easy tech guides.